Alright then, 80% win rate strategy. I'm actually in a trade right now, so I'm just going to get right into it and show you what I'm doing. I'm literally in this trade right now as I'm recording this video, and you can see here this is pretty much perfectly my model, what I use for trading and how I've got so much success and an 80% win rate. So if you do want to learn more about this, you can get access to the private Discord in the description. But I'm basically just going to show you exactly how I've traded this trade here and what my model is. So basically what I'm looking for is, you've got your price action like this. I'm basically looking to just go and mark out all my major liquidity levels like this, for example. Exactly as you can see as I've done on screen. And what I'm looking for is sweeps of liquidity and then inversions back to the upside. And you can see this is an absolutely textbook perfect example of what I'm talking about here. Got yourself a sweep and a lovely inverted fair value gap back to the upside. And then very simply what I'll do is I'll enter on the inversion like this. Have my stop loss set about halfway between the low and the gap. Targeting a 1 for 1. Once I hit 1 for 1, I'll scale half my position and go break even on the rest. And then I'll hold runners back up through liquidity. And we are getting the most unbelievably textbook example of this right now. You would not believe it. So I'm just going to basically show you exactly what's happened here. And basically I'll just go through my whole strategy and how it works. So you can see I've just told you my strategy roughly. But you can see here basically I've got this really obvious level of liquidity. You can see we come down, we sweep the low, we get this beautiful fair value gap here on the 5 minute. Really obvious 3 candle pattern V shape, which is what you want when you have these patterns where it's 1, 2, 3 candles and then another candle back up like this. They have the highest probability of winning with a good major sweep of liquidity as well, like this. And you can see that's exactly what's happened here. Major sweep of liquidity. After sweeping out all of this liquidity here, we sweep this wick low, we get a really good bullish reaction, 3 candle pattern V shape to the upside. And then as you can see, as I've just said, I target 1 for 1 for my first TP, take half my position off here. I risk about $150 $200 per trade per account, copy traded across a lot of accounts. So basically what I'll be looking for is come up, hit the 1 for 1, scale half here about $75 $100, go break even on the rest. And as you can see, we are still in runners right now up through liquidity. We've just hit 2 to 1, so I might scale another one here, but this is looking like, in my opinion, this could V-shape all the way back up to the highs, in which case this will be a very nice win for me of around 4 or 5R, probably 2 or 3R with the scales. But you can see we are really gaining momentum to the upside right now, and this is looking like it could turn out to be a very nice trade indeed. But great trade to start the week for me. Really happy, and actually amazing that I managed to catch this on stream on the actual video as well. Perfect example of my model. Absolutely textbook trade. Really amazing liquidity V-shape model. All my requirements there. Major liquidity sweep, beautiful 5 minute V-shape, good momentum back to the upside, and as you can see, playing out now really nicely. Already up to a 2 to 1, as I said. Probably going to get a little bit of resistance at this 50% area, but right now an absolutely beautiful trade. And in my opinion, this is probably going to be my only trade of the day. You can see this is a very nice trade indeed. Right now I'm already scaled half break even. I'll probably scale some more here after the video depending on how this starts moving, but overall a really good trade. And that's it. I'm just going to leave it there because I need to go and manage this trade immediately off the video. But overall I would say this is going to be an absolutely fantastic trade for me. Definitely probably done for the day at this point. Not going to probably take any more trades because I don't think we're going to get anything else as textbook as this. But you can see an absolutely incredible move to the upside. Already hit my 2 to 1, so I'll probably go and scale some more and manage this position off camera. But you can see this is exactly what I'm looking for in my model, and right now I would say absolute banger. So as always guys, do appreciate you watching. If you want to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for some daily updates, and if you do want to get alerts and signals, get them in the description below. Cheers.